Now I will demonstrate how to use Thinkcar Pro to diagnose Honda Accord 2014. There are three indicators on Thinkcar Pro. The first one is the trouble code indicator. If it flashes after the adapter is inserted into the car, it means the adapter is broken. The second one is the power indicator, and the third one is the Bluetooth indicator. Normally, only the two indicators flash after the adapter is inserted into the car. The Bluetooth indicator will flash too when communicating. Now, turn on ignition. Plug Thinkcar Pro adapter into the car. Open the app on the mobile phone that is already installed. Now we can see three function options. The first one is the all make all system diagnostic, including read fault codes, clear fault codes, and read data string, etc. The second one is maintenance functions. There are 15 maintenance functions. The first one is ABS bleeding, and reset AFS, reset BMS, reset box, reset brake, reset ETS, reset DPF, reset EGE, and reset oil, and so on. Now back to the third one, OBD functions. It is used to diagnose vehicles after 1996. It can diagnose the engine of the majority of vehicles and the gearbox of a small number of models. It can read the fault code related with the emissions. Now let's look at Thinkcar Pro Store. Click Purchase the software, and we can see the software we have downloaded. During this time, Thinkcar Pro is on sale. 5 car software or maintenance software for free. Click See All of maintenance software, and you can see 15 maintenance software. Click See All of the vehicle diagnostic software. You can see there are hundreds of vehicle diagnostic software. Click the third button at the bottom to enter Think Moment. You are free to share your test reports or technical issues in Think Moment. Now let's diagnose the vehicle. It's scanning. It's reading the vehicle VIN automatically. We've got the info of the Honda Accord 2014. Click OK. We've got the basic info for vehicle. Click System Selection. There are about dozens of control units to retest. Click PGM, FI, diesel engine system first. It is communicating, please wait. We got the engine ECU ID, click OK. Then we can see 4 functions, including read fault codes, clear fault codes, read data string, and read freeze frame. Click read data string, click manual select. Click OK. Turn on the vehicle to see if any change in data. The car has started. Click on Combine, and it will allow you to view the change of waveform in multiple options. Select some options at random. We can only select 4 options at a time. Click OK. Then we can see the waveform string of 4 options. Now exit. Click Read for code and you can see Diagnostic trouble code. Click Report, generate diagnostic report. This is diagnostic report. That's all, thanks.